Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Tinder on your Android devices as a beginner. Whether you're looking for love, friendship, or something casual, Tinder can be a great way to meet new people. So grab your Android device and let's get started. Download and set up Tinder. First things first, in order to start using Tinder on your Android phone, you'll first need to download the app. Open the Google Play Store from your Android device and go to the search box at the top. Type in Tinder and search. Look for this application and tap on the install button to start downloading Tinder on your Android phone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Tinder is an online dating application that is free to download and use, but there is an app purchase for premium features. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Tinder dating application on your Android. Sign in or sign up for Tinder. If you are a beginner for Tinder, you'll first need to sign up for a new account. Soon after you open up the Tinder application, you can choose the login options displayed on the screen. Choose to log in with Google, Facebook, or your phone number. If you've got a Google account or a Facebook account, it is a good and an easy way you can sign up for Tinder. Similarly, if you've got a phone number, simply tap on Login with Phone Number. No matter what option you choose, you will need to enter the credentials and follow through the on-screen instructions. Select your country from the drop-down and type in a phone number that you have access to. Once you are done, click on Continue. You will now need to verify your phone number. Enter the code that you received via SMS. After entering the code, tap on Continue. Now, you'll need to enter an email address. You can also continue to use Google account. Simply make a selection and enter the information. Once you are done entering the email, click on Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions of Tinder by tapping I agree on the next page. Now, you'll need to enter some of your information. Enter your first name and then tap on Next. You will also need to enter your date of birth information. After you are done, tap Next once again. Select your gender from the list and make sure to select other orientations along the way. Now, use the slider to set up the maximum distance you'd like to find potential matches from and tap Next once again. After filling in all of the information, now it is time to upload a picture for yourself. Select 2 photos to start and you may add 4 or more photos later as well. Now allow necessary permissions such as locations to see who is in your area that you can find on Tinder. And after completing all of those, you will then be able to sign up and create a new account for Tinder. And now you will end up in the main homepage of your Tinder account. Now that you've created your profile, the next thing you can do, start swiping. From the first interface, you will be presented with the profile of a couple of people. If you are interested in someone, you can swipe right. Whereas, if you're not interested in someone, you can swipe the profile to the left. Go ahead and keep repeating the steps. Make sure to swipe right for the profile that you like and left for the profile that you don't. After you do that, if there is a mutual interest from the person that you've swiped right, then you will be able to chat and get to know each other better. You can now explore other features for Tinder. Tinder also offers premium features like Boost and Super Likes. The features are optional and free version of Tinder, which offers plenty of opportunities to connect with people. Once there is a match, you can now go ahead and start chatting with a person. Send a friendly and personalized message, say something nice. You can also send an emoji to the person and start chatting with them. After you are done, now you can also go visit your Tinder profile and explore other features such as going to the settings menu, and if you want to make any kind of a profile edits for your Tinder account, you can do so by selecting one of the options appearing on the screen. If you are done with Tinder for the day, you can simply scroll all the way down and tap on the log out button, which will then log you out of your Tinder account, deleting or unsubscribing from Tinder. If you ever want to get rid of Tinder, or you have simply found a friend or whatever you are looking for and you no longer need Tinder, then you can simply delete your account. From the main homepage of Tinder, Go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right and click on the settings or the gear button at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, scroll all the way down and you will then be able to see a delete account tab. Simply tap on delete account and there are two options you can choose. If you want to temporarily pause out of your Tinder account, you can select pause my account button. Whereas, if you want to completely delete your Tinder account and all of its databases from the account, then click on delete my account. Select one of the regions why you are trying to get rid of yourself and all of your databases from Tinder, and you can select one of the regions to submit the feedback and click on continue to account deletion at the bottom. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account by tapping on delete my account, and once you submit the deletion, it'll take 90 days for your Tinder account to be deleted completely. So those were some of the steps you can take in order to learn how you can use Tinder on your Android device as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.